This learning point happened so quickly, I'll need to explain a little.
Sound. Bus, give way to them, brake, more brake.
I know it's difficult to see, but the bus is signalling and wishes to pull out, so I'm instructing my pupil to hold back and let the bus go.
More. Just stop if you need to.
Now the bus has changed its mind, we've quickly got to change our mind and keep going.
Now carry on, he's changed his mind. Now mirrors, move back into the left. Good. Well done.
What happened then with the bus? Was he going to pull out and then?
Yeah. And it says in the highway code that if we can, we should give way to buses. So you're doing the correct thing.
Yeah.
And then, because the bus driver's been a bit dozy, he then decides he doesn't want to move off.
Yeah.
So he should only really be trying to move off when he knows
He can't.
and he wants to. Alright?
Yeah.
And then that puts us in a dangerous situation if I was on the Stelly, because if that cab, which was driving like a complete joke really close to us at the back,
Behind us when we brake.
yeah, he may not have seen the bus's signal originally
Yeah.
and then go straight into the back of us.